Okay, so I'm assuming you tried to call me, but I don't have service, so I'm just gonna do it in a less exciting way and show you that I have my new ringtone for you. I'm trying to find it right now, and I'm pretty excited about it. I want you to hear it. So hold on. Here it is. How exciting is that? Okay, so it's the Kiss song Beth, but Puck's singing it from Glee because I've never heard the Kiss version, and I'm assuming the Glee version is better because it's Glee. But there you go. That's your ringtone. I love you.